Okay, okay, I picked up this VEVOR tool on Amazon, and basically this is designed to readjust your sights on your firearms. And basically this kind of works like a vise, but if you look inside there, you're going to put right there, you're going to kind of fit this sight in that way, and this is gonna, this piece right here is gonna go align right there, and then I'm gonna be able to move this back and forth. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that put on. Right now I'm gonna have to take these off, lift it up, and then make sure that the sight, actually the slide is aligned with that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now, and then I'll resume with the video. Okay, so now I've got my slide, my firearm slide in, and I'm going to use these dials to secure the slide on the vise, and then you got to make sure that this part does not, it's just above. So I'm going to actually have to raise this unit just a little bit, so that and the way to do that is you loosen this up, and then you tighten that, and it'll push the whole top part up. But I've got to make sure that that's above the metal part of the slide, so that I can push that over by using this lever and moving this back and forth. For this situation, my sight kind of drifted off to the left, and I need to get it back centered onto the firearm slide. Okay, now that I got it raised, you can see now I'm going to go ahead, I should be able to slide that over. I've got that moving over. Wish I had a stand for this. Okay, perfect. It is moving over. And this has happened to another one of my firearms. So there's that one. On the other firearm, there was a nut that you could screw down that had come loose. But on these cheap sights, there's no nut to secure it to the frame here, the slide frame. So anyhow, I'm eyeballing it, and then I'm gonna have to go back to the range and make sure I can get those sights dialed in. But for what I'm doing right now, this is just demonstrating how to work this unit. And the same thing, I think you can do the same thing with the front side as well on this particular unit. Right now that one looks like it's centered nicely. All right, thank you, YouTube.